This is how we get over to Sweden. Charter buses come and pick us up and take us right to the plane. It's a Boeing 777. As soon as we get to the runway for takeoff, we have an issue. Something's wrong with the aircraft, but there's no terminal for us to go back to. Remember, we just walked right on the plane. So during the maintenance delay, we don't know how long it's going to take. We can't leave the aircraft. This is the visual representation of the two emotions everybody's feeling right now. Our last flight on Southwest, the flight attendants gave us some snacks. We break out the snacks, get some coffee, and before you know it, about 3 hours later, it's time to take off. We have a quick 2-hour flight to BWI and a 3-hour layover before we head across the Atlantic. We get to BWI and then they tell us we can't leave the plane for our 3-hour layover. When you get a bunch of Army aviators together and you change the plan on them, you get two different crowds. Half the crowd's gonna say, you know what, it is what it is, I'm just gonna get comfortable until it's time to go. The other half is gonna say, you know what, we need to find out who the hell's responsible for putting us in this predicament. 12 hours later, we've arrived in Sweden. We have 6 days until 640 paratroopers are jumping into Sweden. The reason we're here is to fly all the injuries to the hospital, and it's gonna be busy. Our aircraft we dropped off at the port made it here before us.
Your allegiance. We gon' run this town.